Our little family loves to travel and taking Pio to different places. I know that we are giving him something that can never be taken away, like new experiences. Ika nga, di man nila maaalala ito, but as a parent, happy kami na makita si Pio na nag-e-enjoy because we let him explore and unbox the world at the very young age. Today nga, we decided to go on a staycation and farming bago ang pasukan sa school. Pio loves outdoor activities so much that it makes him pawisin. Kaya whenever we have trips and staycation, we always make sure that we bring our daily essentials, especially this Tender Care Head to Toe Body Wash and Tender Care Classic Mild Talc Baby Powder. This is perfect for my little one kasi it's super gentle on his skin and keeps him clean. Kaya naman must have talaga kapag may trip kami itong Tender Care Head to Toe Body Wash and Tender Care Classic Mild Talc Baby Powder. Hi! Time flies so fast talaga at big boy na ang dating baby lang. I might be an overprotective mom but I realized that he needs to explore and unbox the world to help him grow. Kaya as a first time mom, Tender Care always got my back.